Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 10, 15 hours, after I post it, then yeah, the chart may look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation point of view is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by just talking about, general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big, technical event that occurred since the last video I did right around 24 hours ago was the breaking up above of this resistance here at 9,600, that red line. So the newest, kind of big question now going forward, and this is not some sort of revolutionary discovery, but the big question is, hey, you know what? The breakout happened. Is this the start of something bigger? In the easiest way you can measure that, and I'm a little jealous of those of you that are watching this 15, 20 hours from now because you're going to kind of have a better idea of what's happening. But question number one just simply becomes, where's the price at relative to 9,600? So let's just use the 15-hour number. If you're watching this 15 hours from now, question number one that you ask yourself, where's the price at relative to 9,600? Because as of right now, and this is based on a traditional rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that is why that first question is just going to be simply around, where's the price at relative to that area? And as long as you are answering the question that the price is up above it, let's say that the price is actually all the way down here. Not saying it will be, but even if we're down at 9,600, think about that. That implies the price has gone down here and then is going sideways. And if it eventually starts to work its way back upwards, what do you still have from the bigger picture point of view? Well, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, overall, stair steps are still progressing in the upward direction. Now, of course, you'd ideally like to see the price stay up in the current range that it's at. But even if there is a pullback, that the price still has that opportunity at progress. Now, if you were answering the question that the price is down below 9,600, basically at that point in time, that's telling you that this whole move here was just simply a dead cat bounce. Because if the price goes back below 9,600, think about what that's doing to the price. From a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to where it was in that range. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So definitely very important from that perspective that, the price stays up above 9,600. And then finally, the other direction of things is just common sense, gut instincts. I mean, if you're answering the question, well, yeah, Clay, not only is the price up above 9,600, but it's, way up at 10,500. Well, at that point in time, the simple answer is, well, not only has this breakout been a real legitimate breakout, but the breakout has gained just that much more momentum. So to the upside point of view, that's where you got to just let gut instincts, common sense, answer the question there for you. But overall, though, definitely a breakout is underway. Not just a matter of can the price start to make some progress. Let's see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.